The other day I went down into my basement and I came across this. A laser engraver my roommate bought 6 months ago and never used it, and it's been sitting here ever since.
And I think we can make money with this thing.
Now the way that laser engravers work is they use this beam of light to cut or burn extremely detailed designs into wood, plastic, glass, or metal, and with it you can make some really cool products. Whoa, oh that looks good. So here's the plan. We're gonna find a product that we can easily create with our laser engraver. This means it should be something that isn't too big or complex or needs a bunch of steps to do. I think a custom product like engraving somebody's face into the wood or putting words is the way to go because it'll make us stand out. It's not just some product you can find on AliExpress and somebody can copy, and custom products have a higher perceived value, meaning we can charge more for it. Step 2, we're gonna start our own e-commerce store where we're gonna sell a majority of our products. We're also gonna mess around with Etsy, and if we get any sales by word of mouth, do that as well. Step 3, we're gonna make ads. We're gonna market our product on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And step 4 is make some money. The 7-day timer begins now. So first thing we need to do before anything else is make sure that we find the right product. So like I said, I think a custom product is the best option, and there's a few ways that I'm looking for products. The first way is just searching on TikTok, Instagram, and Etsy for wood engraved products like this whiskey box or these cutting boards. The second way is using a product research tool like Zik Analytics. So I'm just gonna go to the product explorer and search engraved, and this is gonna show me other stores that are selling engraved products. They're like this jewelry box, Christmas ornaments, and on the right side, it'll show you how much revenue they're doing. One store that keeps popping up over and over again is this one, this My Outdoor Dad site, and it looks like this guy sells wood engraved products for hunters mostly. So you can see he sells these plaques with people's first hunt on it. In the past 30 days he sold 94 of these and made over $7,000 in revenue, and that's just on one product. He has a bunch of other products here as well. This one made $1,300. This one made $6,500. Another one that sold $6,000. So I think we found our winner right here. So with a product in mind, it's time to actually test this laser engraver to see if it even works. So me and Nico started making some basic designs to see what this thing is capable of.
It's like a school project.
Now with that figured out, we can actually start working on making this thing real. Nico is looking for where we can source the wood for our product while I'm working on building out our store. It's 2 a.m. right now, but I just finished our product page on Shopify, and I made this store using Debutify. I think that this is the easiest way to get really nice looking websites without knowing anything about design and not spending all day making a website. You have all these built-in apps that you don't get with the regular Shopify template. One thing that I think is going to be really good for the conversion rates is this shipping time calculator. Right under the add to cart, you see that if you order this within a certain time frame, it'll tell you exactly when you'll receive your package. And in our case, it's only 7 days because we are making everything in-house. We don't need to purchase the product from some factory in China and then wait 2 to 3 weeks to ship it over. So right under that, you get some of the frequently asked questions like sizing, customization requirements, shipping, and we have some testimonials and reviews, and this get 20% off little tab on the side here for people who sign up for our newsletter. I set up a goal of $100 for customers to get free shipping, though it just incentivizes people to add more things into their cart to try to get that free shipping. Once we start making sales, we can start adding upsells, we can do quantity breaks. Things like this, I think, take this product page from being decent to pretty good. So this is what our product page looks like right now. I think that this is a lot cleaner than the other store. Now, if you guys want to make a product page like this for your next store, then you can sign up for Debutify with the link in my description. Next up, we're heading to the local wood shop to find the right wood for our product and just to get some inspiration as to what other products we could engrave in the future.
That's $112.
It's a steal.
Damn, look at that thing.
You actually make a table.
$650.
17. This one looks good.
This one's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get that one.
Cha-ching. Dude, we're fucking printing, dude. I don't even think this is legal.
And I forgot I brought the Miata. Yeah.
Let's play cards. It's kind of cool though.
It's kind of sick.
I like it.
They were onto something, dude.
Just found the next $1 million product.
Reminds me of my ex.
Yeah, he did have a mustache like that. Okay, so we finally have everything we need to get started. It's time to make our first product, and we're gonna start out testing these couple portrait engravings. I think it's a great gift idea, and it's the perfect emotional purchase product for when we start making ads. So we set up the laser engraver and let it do its thing while we wait. We're about 12 minutes in. That is how much is done so far, but it's looking pretty good. This reminds me of when I used to work in a wood shop back in the days. It's almost there. Oh, it's so close. It's done. So that took an hour and 2 minutes to complete. Here is what we're left with. I think that looks pretty good. It's you can see the grain, you know, like in his hair right there. It's pretty obvious, but for a test run, this is not bad. The only thing that kind of bothers me is you can see in the text here, it goes a little darker in some places. So we're gonna have to figure out why it's doing that, but not bad. Never mind. After looking at that wood in the sunlight, I realized that grain stands out way too much, and it's not the same quality as some of the other products that we were looking at. So we're on the way to get a different type of wood now with grain that doesn't stand out as much, and hopefully that fixes our problem.
Yep, that's right. I had to find them.
I have an idea. So recently my friend Sierra unfortunately lost both of her dogs in the same month, and she told me that her mom is pretty devastated about it. So I drafted up this picture, and I think this could be a good opportunity to make a nice sentimental gift for Sierra and her mom, and at the same time test out our laser engraver on some of this new wood, and then take photos and videos of that product for our website and target other people who would be interested in gifts like this. I think it's a good idea. I hope she likes it.
It's actually perfect. It's literally perfect. It's crazy.
That's good. Oh, that looks good. Whoa.
You're doing what?
I'm vlogging.
You're vlogging?
Yeah, check this out though.
Oh my god, Alex, this is so nice. My mom's gonna love this.
Yeah?
Yeah. Thank you so much. This is so cute.
Sick.
You said the vlog?
Yeah.
These are my dead dogs. Okay, here you go. Alex made this for you.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I love this so much.
You
Oh, now
love
I'm gonna
it?
cry.
Aww.
This is so nice. Aw.
It's so beautiful. Aww.
Wow, that reaction was 10 times better than I thought it would be, which makes me think that we're actually onto something with this product. We're so close to making sales. The only thing left to do is to make some ads, which is what I am working on right now. So right here, I have a few different designs that we've made over the past couple of days, and this is my new favorite one we've done so far. Check this out. It's this family portrait, and the quality and the detail is just insane. So I've purposely made a few different designs for different types of customers. You know, so like this one would be more towards somebody who lost their grandfather or a loved one and they want something to remember them by. On the back of this one, you have something targeted more towards couples as a wedding gift maybe. And then this one is dedicated to families. Maybe a mom would see this scrolling on Facebook and say, I want this in my house. So with all this, we're going to make a bunch of content, put that on TikTok and on Instagram, and hopefully make some sales very soon. The past 48 hours has been probably some of the most frustrating times I've ever had to deal with when making an e-commerce store. I started running some ads on Facebook and spent about $80 on the ads. Didn't make any sales or conversions, which is normal. Like, that's something to be expected when you start testing a new product and you're testing videos and you're trying to see what works. But because it wasn't working on Facebook, I tried to run some ads on TikTok, and that has just been an insane headache. I created one ad account which got suspended right away with no answer as to why it got suspended. The only explanation that I got from TikTok was that they needed more business documents to prove that I'm a real business, which technically I'm not. I'm just a guy in my basement making these boards, so I don't have any documents to prove that I'm a corporation or anything like this. So I appealed that decision, and then I made another ad account, loaded $100 into that ad account, and that got suspended right away as well. Then I started another ad account, and that got suspended right away as well. So I have no idea what is going on. I have over $200 locked up in the ad account right now that I can't spend, and I can't run any ads. We have 24 hours left in this challenge to make at least one sale to prove that all the time that we spent on this has not been a complete waste of time. I've created 4 new ads to run on Facebook with a $100 ad budget, so those ads just started running. Let's see what happens in the next 24 hours. It's day 7 and we are outside of the post office because today we finally got our first order. At least we're finishing off this week with 1 sale. It's not any crazy results or anything, but after all that, I'm happy with this for now. And this is what the customer wanted for our first product. And I'm not closing down the store by any means. I still think there's so much potential here, especially with Q4 coming up and Christmas. There's so many different types of products that we can make for a laser engraving business, like some stuff like this. So this is what we're gonna be working on for the next couple weeks. And if you guys are interested in seeing the rest of this journey, make sure you subscribe and we'll see you soon.